to my 317 viewers. Hello guys. Hello. Hello and hello. Hello and hello. Nice talking. Okay. 29. No comment appear. What happened? This is my bag. I'll see. The money I have is here. Go to my 300. Oh my gosh. 328. 28 viewers. Hi. Hello. Kumusta kayong lahat? Sana tayo ay nasa mabuting kalusugan. What else? It's so cold. Hi to my 311. Hello guys. Time check is 11:04. 11:04 in the evening in Philippine time. This is your host Naomi. My real name is Naomi Hamarulin from Philippines. I am a single mother and I have one 6-year-old son. And I live in my own house. I'm not rich, but I'm happy. Oh, wait. Hey, 367. Nice. I don't know what happened to my, what you call this. I can't read the comment. The comment is out. Out. No comment up here. I don't know why. What happened to this? Top messages. All messages. Oh, here. Here. Hello. Sorry guys, you look so young and sexy. I'm not young anymore. Nice to see you here. Sorry, I can't read message. So now I read. Hello, Thomas Henriquez. Hi. Hello, pretty hi. Hi guys, debut. Bye. Hello, Chichet. Hello, Joker. Hi. Hi, everyone. With 2 fingers. Nice look too. Nice look. Okay. We're almost done in live. Nice look. What fingers you mean? It's not good. Philippines. I'm from Philippines. I'm fine. Mas may broccoli. Hi, Abby Joseph. Ito ay yung padala kong handa kang gumawa. No, it's a scam. May suit na baso ng 20. No, I don't need money. Hello, Joseph Pollard. Hi. From Bali. Hello, nice country. Please move and don't open my bra. Hi, madam. Where are you from, baby? Philippines. Siyempre. I wanna kiss you